A 2 naked bike with twin and single-sided swing arm. The Cobra 321R from Kove, China is an attractive new alternative in the A2 category up to 48 horsepower. With 2-cylinder inline engine and single-sided swing arm. Kove Cobra 321R for 2023. The Cobra 321R from the new Chinese manufacturer Kove is not a copy of a model from another manufacturer. In the orange color variant, it is reminiscent of the 390 Duke from KTM, but only at first glance. On closer inspection, we realize this is an independent, distinctive and quite attractive concept, matching the self-confident premier appearance of the Kove brand in Europe at the EICMA 2022 and the other models already presented. Kove inline twin engine. Kove makes a strong statement with the drive alone, in contrast to most models in this category. The Cobra 321R is not powered by a single cylinder but by an inline 2-cylinder. The modernly designed engine with water cooling, petrol injection, double overhead camshafts and 4 valves per cylinder comes with a bore-stroke ratio of 68x44.2 mm for a total of 322 cubic capacity. The compression ratio is 11:2:1, and it is said that 40 horsepower at 11 revolutions per minute and 29 Nm at 9 revolutions per minute are achieved. Up to 170 km per hour are possible if the transmission is shifted up to 6th gear. For the acceleration from a standstill to 100 km per hour, Kove calls 5.6 seconds. For the fuel consumption per 100 km, 4 liters. The chassis of the Cobra 321R is more than just functional. Kove stands out with the bridge frame and an attractive steel lattice tube construction, but above all with the aluminum single-sided swing arm. The central spring strut at the rear faces an upside-down telescopic fork at the front, each from Yuan. So far nothing is known about adjustment options. With a wheelbase of 1,370 mm, a steep 66-degree steering head angle, 95 mm of trail and a total weight of only 153 kg with a full 13-liter petrol tank, very quick handling can be expected. For this weight class, the braking system with 1 disc per wheel and brake calipers from Nissan together with ABS seems completely sufficient. The tire sizes on the stylish cast aluminum wheels, 110 divided by 7/17 at the front, 150 divided by 6/17 at the rear.